My brothers and sisters in Islam, there is an hour of an accepted dua that is often neglected. Hardly people know about it. When Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he said, "Inna fil layli la sa'atun la yuwafiquha rajulun muslimun yas'alu Allah khayra ad-dunya wal akhirah illa a'tahu Allah iyyah wa dhalika fi kulli laylah." Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he says, there is an hour, there is a moment every single night in which if a Muslim was to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala during this hour, if he was to ask him of any goodness in this worldly life or any goodness of the afterlife, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would give him and grant him that which he asked of the goodness. وَذَلِكَ فِي كُلِّ لَيْلَةٍ, and this hour is every single night. Allahu Akbar. You know, on Friday, when, of course, the majority of Muslims know that there is an hour of an accepted dua, and that is the last hour on Friday, just before the sun sets. And so a lot of people have passion to make dua at this time, put effort and focus on this time to make dua. But the very same wording of that hadith of a Friday is the exact same wording for every single night. And this is why in Nawawi rahimahullah, from among the great scholars of the Muslims, he said this hadith encourages the believers to make dua every single night. Every single night. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Make a dua. Because any dua you ask Allah Azza wa Jal, any goodness you ask Him of this worldly life, health, wealth, children, to make matters easy for you, any kind of goodness of this life and the afterlife, Allah Azza wa Jal would grant it to you. Allahu Akbar.